Hello children. In this video we are going to learn exercise 2.3 third and fourth sums. In that first one we'll see third one. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O using a similarity criteria for two triangles. Show that OA by OC equal to OB by OD. Here they did not give the diagram. We only should draw the diagram. Which diagram we have to draw here? Here we have to draw trapezium. Trapezium ABCD we have to draw it. Trapezium ABCD. ABCD. You should write orderly. Always alphabets. ABCD like this. With the AB parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. These two sides are parallel sides. Intersect each other at the point O. Diagonals. Which are the diagonals of the trapezium here? AC and BD are the diagonals. AC and BD are the diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with the AB is parallel to DC. Intersect each other at the point O. Both the diagonals are meeting at the point O. Now we draw the diagram using a similarity criteria for two triangles. This result we want to prove. So OA by OC. OA is here, OC is here. Next OB. OB by OD means which two triangles we have to consider here to prove this result? We have to consider the triangle AOB and the COD. These two triangles we have to consider, and we have to prove these two triangles are similar by similarity criteria. Then we have to prove this result. So which two triangles we have to consider? OAB. Solution. In triangle AOB and triangle AOB and COD. Here we know that in the trapezium AB is parallel to DC means these two lines are parallel. If you extend like this is a transversal. This one if you just extend like this means, and this is also extending like this means DB is a transversal means these two angle ABO and ODC are called as the interior alternate angles are equal if the lines are parallel. Already we know that AB is parallel to DC, so ABO is equal to ODC. Those two are interior alternate angles. Angle ABO is equal to angle ODC. What is the reason for that? Interior alternate angles. Similarly, this side, now same two parallel lines only, but transversal is AC now. If you are considering like this, these two angles. Now how we will write that? BAO is equal to OCD. For both angles, same reason only, interior alternate angles. Now here you see these two are called as vertically opposite angles are also equal. Therefore AOB is equal to DOC. DOC. This is vertically opposite angles are always equal. Angles. See, all the three angles of a AOB triangle are equal to all the three angles of a ODC means we can say these two triangles are similar now. Therefore, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD by angle criteria or AAA criteria. This is also called as the AA criteria. Now we got that these two triangles are similar means we can write if the triangles are similar means sides are in the same ratio. Which sides are in the same ratio? Corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Which are the corresponding sides? How will you identify? We know that, see, opposite of this B angle in the triangle AOB, OA is there. Opposite of these two angles are equal. Angle B equal to angle D, no? Angle B opposite OA is there. Angle D opposite OC is there. So we can write OA divided by OC is equal to, now angle A opposite OB is there. Here angle C opposite OD. In the similar triangle, corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Hence we got the result. This is the result we want to write it. This you should observe always. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. By that we have written here. This angle and this angle opposite sides we considered and written. Angle A and angle C opposite sides we considered and written. This is the result we want to prove. We proved here. See the second sum now. In figure, QR by QS is equal to QT by PR and angle 1 equal to angle 2. Show that triangle PQS, the smaller triangle. I will show you that. Triangle PQS is equal to TQR, this bigger triangle. Both the triangles are similar, we want to prove. They have given two things here, one ratio and two angles are equal they have given. By using these two, we want to prove these two triangles are similar. First, what they have given here, we will write off. Given that this ratio they have given, QR divided by QS is equal to QT by PR. Here they only given the diagram, okay. Now you observe angle 1 equal to angle 2 they have given. See, angle 1 and 2 are in the triangle PQR. Correct, no? I will consider the triangle. In triangle PQR, observe correctly. Now in triangle PQR, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 means what here? PQR we can write, no? Angle 1 also we can write as a PQR is equal to angle 2, how we can write? PRQ. Now we know that already last year you learned one theorem, 9th standard you learned one theorem, that is sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Here these two angles are equal means opposite of angle 1 is PR and opposite of angle 2 is PQ. So we can write PR is equal to PQ. What is the reason for that? For this, sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Now you observe this one you take as equation 1, this one you take as equation 2. Substitute. Now you see in place of PR we have to replace PQ. In equation 1 in place of PR we have to replace PQ. In 1 replace PR by PQ you write. Then this equation will become QR divided by QS is equal to QT divided by PR. Sorry, in place of PR what we have to replace? PQ, no? PQ. Now this result we got it. Actually what we want to prove here, these two triangles, triangle PQS and the TQR are similar we want to prove. So consider those two triangles now. In triangle PQR and triangle TQR, observe this PQR and TQR. This Q is common for both the triangle PQR also, TQR also. This angle 1 is common for both the triangles. So angle 1 is equal to angle 1. That is common angle is there. Now This result you consider, just you observe. That one only I will write again. QR divided by QS is equal to QT divided by PQ. See, one angle is equal and the angle including those two sides. Sorry. Observe this ratio. Angle 1 equal to angle 1. These two sides are including the angle 1 here. See, angle 1 is here. QR, QR, for TQR, TQR divided by QS and QT divided by QS. These sides are including the angle. Therefore, by SEIS criteria, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Triangle PQR is similar to triangle TQR by SAS. By side, two sides are proportional and one angle is equal. By SAS, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Remaining sums we will solve in the next video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.